Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Escape tire pressure monitoring system. First, make sure all your tires are inflated to the correct pressure, usually found on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Next, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, find the TPMS reset button, which is typically located beneath the steering wheel or in the glove compartment. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset process. Once you've located the reset button, press and hold it down. Keep holding until the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard flashes 3 times. This indicates the system has acknowledged the reset command. Release the button, then start your Ford Escape's engine. To complete the process, you'll need to drive your vehicle for at least 10 minutes at a speed exceeding 20 miles per hour. This allows the system to recalibrate and learn the new tire pressures. For some Ford Escape models, especially newer ones, you might reset the TPMS through the vehicle's information display. Use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate to the main menu. Look for options like Settings or Driver Assist. Within that menu, you should find a selection for Tire Pressure Monitor. Choose this option and then select Reset or Train to initiate the recalibration. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm your selection and complete the process. If the TPMS light remains illuminated after attempting a reset, first recheck all your tire pressures to ensure they are accurate. Sometimes, a persistent light indicates a faulty tire pressure sensor, which may need professional diagnosis and replacement. Also, remember to check the pressure of your spare tire, as some systems monitor it too. If you've tried these steps and the light is still on, it's best to consult a qualified technician for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.